Hi guys, we just got this new shipment in from Steve Mead. A lot of our billet anodized colors. You guys are familiar with our regular blue, anodized blue. Fresh off the Steve Mead cutting table. Try to get this in the light so you can see it. Trying to learn lessons from Steve on product displacement, so bear with me. This is the old school, tried and true, one of the top sellers. Really cool. Love this blue. But now we have a new addition to the blue lineup. Hold on. It's the first time we're seeing the blue. Yes, it does look similar right now. You'll see the difference in a minute. So now you can kind of see how this one's just a little bit darker. A lot of the more modern colors are going to this. So when you put them side by side, it's pretty obvious. You can see this is out in the sunlight. It does have a similar tint to it, but I can assure you they're much more different in person. Not really a blue person myself, but I will admit this new dark blue has kind of got me rethinking some of that. Once again, perfect craftsmanship, Mr. Steve Mead. Incredible. Watch the sun bounce off the old one and the new one. If you're wanting one of these, just let us know. They're not in the system yet, but always email Tony@mecman.com. Can usually make things happen pretty quick. All right. Thanks, guys.